This is James at Indian Springs Golf Club in Broken Arrow, and we got a call last night about a swarm, and I just set the box down in front of them, and that is all I have done. They were just here on the ground. I set the box down in front of them, didn't even put on my bee suit. And you can watch that they are just deciding, oh wow, great place to live. Let's go ahead and march on into that box. So inside that box is a couple of frames of drawn comb that a previous beehive made, and a bunch of new frames, but you can see how rapidly they're flowing in like a river into that box. That's how much they want to be in there versus just laying here on the ground. Bees are just so cool. I mean, isn't that wild? They're just marching in.